All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol PULM. This was over here in the contest right here. Kick 45 stock pick PULM, $3.86. Now at $4.92. This is off the last Friday close where you can submit your stock pick in the MVP contest for prizes over on the board on Investors Hangout. You can do so at Friday, just around the close time, is when the contest pops up for all new week. Let's take a look into the chart. The last time that me and Joe took a look at this one, be right here. Where that red, or I'm sorry, where this red line right here is, to kind of give you a better idea looking at the screen. On the 27, $2.96 hold. I think that a pullback is coming again. That was right there. Pullback is coming. If buying continues, you might have one more day. Well, I said that I thought the pullback was coming. It looks like I nailed that one because you could tell the next morning when you were at a close of $3.37. And then it opened the next day at 283. You guys have that gap down here, and then that goes ahead and sends that down. But we can talk about that later. Bounced off of that, and then you could talk about this gap. You could go over here on YouTube and look up penny stock gap ups. Don't do this, as I've said it about 100 times now throughout this stream. It's very, very important and very, very knowledgeable. You're going to learn how to benefit and how to save yourself money. So let's get back into what's going on right now. Personally, I mean, the parabolic stars under it, the volume buying pressure has lettened off. You might end up pulling back for a day. This is going to be one of those stocks that really come down to the buying pressure and the resistance levels of $5 mark. You guys are having a hard time getting through there. It's not too sure. So let me add my notes in here. When Joe's ready, he's going to take.
Yeah, I was just looking at some of the recent press releases since the last time we went over it. Since the last time we went over it, there's been 2 press releases in regards to Pulmatrix on January 30th. It was the first one I'm seeing. It's Pulmatrix announces 5 million registered direct offering. And then on February 3rd, Pulmatrix announces over 3 million registered direct offering. So I'm just going to open one real quick. I want to see what they're doing with that. All right, so Pulmatrix Incorporated, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing innovative inhaled therapies to address serious pulmonary diseases, on February 3rd announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement with several institutional investors to purchase an aggregate of approximately 3,330,000, or 3.33 million of shares of common stock in a registered direct offering. The company agreed to sell an aggregate of approximately 950,000 shares of common stock at a price of $3.50 per share. In the registered direct offering, the closing of this offering is expected to take place on or about February 8th, 2017, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. So that is that. So Pulmatrix Incorporated is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing innovative inhaled therapies to address serious pulmonary diseases using patented iSpares technology. The company proprietary product pipeline is focused on advancing treatments for lung diseases, including opportunities in major pulmonary diseases through collaborations like Puro 200, a branded generic in clinical development for chronic obstruction pulmonary disease, COPD, and PUR 1900, an inhaled antifungal that could benefit severe asthmatic and patients with rare diseases like cystic fibrosis. Pulmatrix product candidates are based on iSpares, its proprietary dry powder delivery platform, which seeks to improve therapeutic delivery to the lungs by maximizing local concentrations and reducing system side effects to improve patient outcomes. So that is that. And I mean, there's plenty of information. You want to research the company, go check out Investors Hangout. We got the message board if you have an opinion on it, or you have, any opinions, I guess. There's tens of thousands of investors over here on the site daily. We got the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy ratings. Have at it.
All right, perfect, Joe. PULM, as far as the chart's concerned, as I said, $5. Watch for this to break resistance at $5. If buying does not continue, it could pull down to the 10-day simple moving average at $4.12 area. Might go sideways for another day or so. It just depends, and I'm going to add this in here. Depends on buying pressure. All right, really, this is going to be one of those ones that depend on that. But then again, I told you guys where it needs a break, and then after that, it could really start rocking and rolling. PULM. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to keep updated with all the other stocks that we cover, the hottest stocks in the market, and live analysis. We will be covering this one again, so make sure that you subscribe to keep updated with that also. If there's any other stocks that you'd like us to go through, and head over to investorshangout.com/live is where you're going to go ahead and let us know about the stocks that you think are the hottest stocks in the market. We will cover those in live time. Again, over on investorshangout.com/live.